Today we are going to see how to decoupage on glass bottle. Hey guys, it's Nikki here. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I love to make cute craft and beautiful home decor DIYs every week. So if you are interested in that, hit that subscribe button and give me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Let's get started. First thing is to prepare the surface. Make sure to clean the surface and remove any dust particles or glue residue from the sticker on the bottle. I am using nail polish remover here to clean the glass bottle. Instead, you can also use glass cleaner solution which we normally use to clean the windows. The next step is applying base color. Give a coat of white color to the bottle surface. I am using chalk paint here, however you can also use acrylic paint or gesso. If you are using acrylic paint, you might need to apply another coat of color. You can use a flat brush also, but the sponge brush gives even texture to the surface, so I prefer using it. Also, I realized after using it, the brush cannot be used next time as the chalk paint dries and cannot be removed from it. So I recommend grabbing the sponge from furniture store or kitchen section where it's cheap and easily available and cutting it to use multiple times. This is only in case of chalk paint. Let the color dry completely before starting next process. The next step is cutting out pictures. Now select the pattern or picture you want to cut and start applying water with brush to cut out the pattern. This method takes some time, so work slowly and make sure you are applying only little bit of water and start slowly tearing the pattern. This method is preferred mostly as it makes the paper easy to blend with the background. However, if you are a beginner or don't like to use this method, you can simply cut the pattern with scissors. One tip I want to share with you is, if possible, cut the pattern in smaller sections even if you are going to apply the paper on all over the surface, because it is easy to decoupage small images without getting wrinkles or bubbles. Before you glue the patterns in place, arrange them and ensure that you are happy with their positioning. Now the next step is gluing the patterns in place. Before starting to glue, make sure to remove the extra layers of paper. This paper napkin has 2 extra layers. You can also remove this before cutting into patterns, however the paper becomes too thin, so tearing it using water becomes difficult. Apply the decoupage glue first, then stick the pattern. To smooth out any wrinkles or bubbles, you can use a clear plastic sheet or a brush. Then apply more glue to stick the edges of patterns. Many of us are confused when it comes to glue. So here are some options I would like to suggest. You can use this Mod Podge or Fevicryl Mod Podge gloss. The gloss Mod Podge or gloss varnish gives beautiful shiny effect to the decoupage art. You can also apply multiple coats of Mod Podge instead of varnish paint depending upon how durable the finish is required. You can also use this type of decoupage glue. You cannot directly use the white glue, however you can make decoupage glue from it. I haven't tried it yet. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make a video on homemade decoupage glue making, trial and testing. I'll add the link of products I mentioned here in the description box below. Next step is adding more colors. Now this is not mandatory step as the decoupage pattern alone looks beautiful. I did not use colors in my decoupage tray DIY where I decoupaged on MDF tray to convert it into a beautiful floral tray. I'll add the link in the description box, make sure you check it out. However, here I am adding this blue color which is also there in the paper napkin. Make sure you are taking only little amount of color on the brush and add some white if you want to lighten the color. Once the color was dried, I applied a coat of varnish. Now I am using some stones to decorate the bottle. And the decoupage bottle is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you have any other DIY ideas you want to see, tell me in the comments below. You can check out my other decoupage tutorials. I'll add the link in the description box below. To watch such more craft and home decor ideas, click the subscribe button. Also like the video and click the bell icon so that you won't miss my new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video. Bye bye.